let's make some football-themed sliders for the big day. You know the day I'm talking about. Super Bowl Sunday. First, you're gonna make a big old pot of pulled pork. You're gonna use this for both sandwiches. All you need, pork shoulder, a whole bunch of water, salt and pepper, and 3 hours. You can even do it the day ahead. This recipe's in Heirloom Kitchen. And you're taking the cooked pulled pork and I put it into 2 separate bowls. One's gonna be for barbecue, the other one's gonna be for mojo. So I've taken Kansas City style bottled barbecue sauce from the grocery store and I'm just gonna mix it into this pulled pork. This is gonna be for our Kansas City style sandwiches. All right, easy as that. Let's assemble the Kansas City style sliders. All we need is attached slider rolls and coleslaw, once again from the grocery store. Let's put them together. Top of the sliders off all in one piece. So I only have to make 1 sandwich, not 12. Now I'm gonna pile up my pulled pork with my barbecue sauce on top. Add the coleslaw. I added my coleslaw, put my tops back on. Now all I have to do is cut them up and serve. Let's make our cubano. We have our pulled pork. We're gonna add cilantro, lime, and orange juice. This is gonna make a delicious mojo marinade on top of that pork. It's gonna cut the fat of the pork and it's gonna make for an amazing cubano. For a Cuban are mustard, of course Swiss cheese, sliced ham, pickles, and then our pulled pork. We're then gonna put more Swiss on top because we want a really cheesy finish and get this in the oven. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Last step for the Cuban, for your authentic Tampa Cubano, is to press it down in the oven, get it nice and hot, because that's how they serve them. They serve them pressed. So what I do is I take a baking sheet, I put it on top, and then I get a really heavy pan. Put that on top, press it down, bake it at 350, and you're gonna get a perfectly pressed Cubano.
Oh yeah, perfectly pressed.
So that's it. Pulled pork sliders, barbecue or Cuban. What's your favorite team? Thanks for watching.
Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.